The human brain is driven to explore every phenomenon it encounters, to carry humanity to every corner of the earth and even beyond. Yet it still hasn't managed to unravel one basic mystery: itself. How do we decode the puzzle of the brain? From genes, molecules, neurons, and networks to the emergence of behavior, movement, love, and creativity. An intellectual breakthrough of this caliber demands a new breed of Renaissance scientists. What we need is a new brain research agenda. This isn't some imaginary futuristic scenario. We know that it can work. The seeds planted by the Interdisciplinary Center for Neural Computation have already made their mark in brain research worldwide. Now we dream to enable these seeds to flourish and grow to new and dramatic horizons. It's no coincidence that the Hebrew University of Jerusalem is home to some of the most prestigious and groundbreaking studies in the world of neuroscience. For example, Professor Hermona Soreq investigates the molecular basis of stress, revealing new clinical implications for these disorders. Studies conducted by Hagai Bergman, a pioneer in advanced treatments for Parkinson's disease, are leading towards an innovative electrophysiological approach to restore normal functioning. Professor Eilon Vaadia's work with American colleagues developing a unique brain-computer interface is paving the way to treatments for severe paralysis. Professor Merav Ahissar's groundbreaking research is leading towards the understanding and treatment of dyslexia in children and adults. A first-of-its-kind brain project being conducted by Professor Idan Segev and his Swiss collaborators enables realistic computer simulations of entire sections of the brain, providing a very aesthetic glimpse into the principles of brain function while discovering new methods of brain repair. And these are just a few of the advanced neuroscience research projects now underway at the Hebrew University. An international neuroscience review committee charged with evaluating neuroscience at the Hebrew University put it this way: the Hebrew University neuroscience community has a glorious history, and many members of the current faculty are among the best in the world in their areas of interest. With proper recruitment and funds, Hebrew University neuroscience will be ranked among the top 5 in the world. Indeed, the innovative spirit of research at the Hebrew University is inspiring a new generation of students in the spirit of great Renaissance thinkers as Leonardo da Vinci. Researchers and students gain the skills required to communicate, study, and interact in multiple disciplines, integrating physics, mathematics, neurobiology, psychology, computer science, and more, and providing a broader understanding of the brain than ever before. The same spirit of collaboration underlies the connection between Hebrew University researchers and the community through academic lectures, seminars, and even via close interactions with Israeli artists to create brain-inspired works of art. As we face the future, the Hebrew University is committed to taking its world-respected expertise in brain research to new frontiers, creating a next-generation brain research center that is both inspirational and innovative. It's the most ambitious project of its kind in Israeli academic history, destined to make the new Center for Neuroscience in Jerusalem the largest in the region and among the best in the world. The core of the center will be housed in a modern new 8,000 square meter building on the university's Edmund J. Safra campus, providing state-of-the-art laboratories, sophisticated equipment, lecture halls, and all facilities required for advanced brain research. The major investment required will bear priceless fruits, knowledge that will carry humanity forward for years to come. 15 new faculty positions at the center will enable curious, courageous young minds to pave the way for a new era of multifaceted brain research as they search for the missing links in understanding our own brains. The new center will attract the brightest students from around the world and will provide Israeli students with fellowships at prestigious institutes abroad, returning with a new style of pursuing science, working together in a unique multidisciplinary melting pot, striving to understand and repair the brain. To understand the brain, to understand ourselves, we must bring together the best interdisciplinary minds. Over the years, Israeli science has proven that here, in small, smart Israel, investment in scientific research yields the greatest returns. Imagine what can happen with an investment of unprecedented magnitude. We invite you to join us, to take part in this ambitious initiative to address some of mankind's greatest challenges. Join us on an incredible journey into the human mind. Together we can unravel the greatest mystery ever known to man. Just imagine.